Alright guys, I want to show you the disadvantage of using tarpaulin pond to rear catfish. Recently I noticed that there are so many damages in my catfish in my tarpaulin pond, and besides there's no fish inside it, so I just have to use this opportunity to do some maintenance and find out that some of them has broken. So I want to show you what I have experienced so far. Let's go there. So this is my pond. This is my pond. This is my pond. I'm just doing maintenance on this. Here are the irons, the pipes. Most of them have bent. Most of them have broken. See, I've been managing this thing for a while now. So I decided to do some maintenance. This one is still here, just standing like this. Just trying to do some maintenance. If you want to go into catfish farming, these are some of the things that you need to consider. You need to consider the maintenance aspect of it. If you buy tarpaulin pond, you are definitely are going to maintain it. So either the rod is rusting or the rod will bend because of overfilling of the water. The major cause of this thing is the overfilling, most especially the bending aspect of it. Most of them are bent, most of them are broken. Look at this particular one, has broken into two. See, it's broken into two. So I've called a welder to come and fix all of them before I transfer this particular fish inside there, because I want to separate them. I'm draining the water. I want to separate them. I want to put some here so that they will have space. So if you are going to catfish farming, these are the things that you need to consider. Okay, the type of pond that you go into. Some use earthen pond, some use concrete pond, some tarpaulin pond, depending on the one that is okay for you in your environment. More especially if you are in a space that does not belong to you, the best thing is to go for tarpaulin pond, but bear in mind that you're going to do maintenance. And if you are not careful, if you overfill the water, it will collapse. There's a way to do it. Even if you overfill the water, the thing will not collapse. I didn't consider that when I was building this pond. That's the reason why I'm experiencing this. But I don't want you to experience that. So maybe I'm going to show you how to construct it. Thank you very much. Help me subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Listen, all this while I've been busy and I've not been able to bring videos to you. I will try my best to be coming up like this to bring you updates. And if you ask questions on the comment section, I did not answer you. Probably I did not see it, because I've been answering some questions. Even if I did not bring videos, I answer questions on comment section. If I did not answer your own, probably I did not see it. So what you're going to do is just drop the question on this video. I'm going to answer you. Thank you very much. I love you guys.